Hi there, students. Maybe you've heard of the proverb, out of sight, out of mind. This means that when something is not visible, you forget about it. Yeah? So your problems, if you can't see them, then you quickly forget about them. Out of sight, out of mind. Yeah? Or if somebody goes away, then people very quickly forget about them. Out of sight, out of mind. Yeah, and this is the idea of it. Yeah. In many of the big cities, drugs and drug addicts are a problem, but the councils and the police try to keep them out of the city centre of the places where tourists go. And like this, the problem is out of sight and out of mind. Yeah, people forget about this problem quite easily. It stops people from thinking about it. Yeah, after the relationship broke up, he went to live in a different city. And it was a case of out of sight, out of mind. Like that, he got on with a new life and stopped thinking about her. And that's the idea of out of sight, out of mind. Yeah, when something is not nearby, when it's not always looking you in the face, it's much easier to forget about it. Yeah, although there is an opposite proverb, absent makes the heart grow fonder. So absence makes the heart grow fonder means if something is absent, you miss it much more strongly. So it can go both ways. Or long absence, soon forgotten. This one reinforces the one you've said. Yeah, or out of sight. So your sight, yeah, you can't see it. It's out of your sight, then it's out of your mind. Yeah, let's sweep the problem under the carpet, and like that, out of sight, out of mind, we don't have to think about it. And if you don't think about it, then you're probably not going to deal with it. Okay, so a very common English proverb. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Out of sight, out of mind.